Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I will show you another method which can get rewarded to watch videos and you could possibly earn up to $15 per video. So this will be another great opportunity to earn money online in 2022. As you can see here, all of these people around the world earn their money by using the same method that I am going to teach you today. Like these people, you will start to earn money after watching this video. Hope you will be enjoyed and be with me until the end of the video. As an example, some of us earn $10 to $50 as you can see here. There are thousands of people who are enjoying with earning online money using their website by just watching the videos. So here's the payout rates you can earn by viewing just one video. In USA you can earn up to $8. So it is easy to earn $40 by viewing only 5 videos. By watching 20 videos you could possibly get paid $160. Then you can able to enjoy about earning $400 very easily by watching only 50 videos. Let's go to google.com and type in the search box keyword of Twitch TV and search it. In the top of the search result, you will be find the Twitch TV link by your own. Then touch on this link and it will be take you to this page which you can see the collections of free videos and different type of channels to watch. Most of these videos are related to various games and we are going to use all of these videos to do our task. As you can see here, you all are going to earn lots of money via online like this. There are payments proof, not even 5, 8, 9. You can earn hundreds of dollars as these proofs. So you can see there is a explore icon at the top of the website. Just click it. Then you can find there are various video categories on this website. So as you can see here, there are different types of gaming and other videos that you could watch right now. Okay, then I would like to get your attention on Fortnite gaming category because it's one of the highly attracted gaming video of Twitch TV. So go forward and click on it. It will take you to this page where videos categorized under the Fortnite. There are 82 million followers for this category. You can see it here. According to this great number of followers, we can identify these type of videos have more attention of the people. So if you go in below, you will find different type of gaming videos which you can watch to earn money online. So as a next step, I would like to take you to this website of EXE.io. This is the website which is going to support us to show the video links copied from the Twitch TV. So don't fear about this. This is an easy task that you're going to learn. And in this video, I'll teach you all the things that you're going to know to earn money online using this method. And also I'll show you how to make free account on this website and how to reduce the length of the URL link. Okay, let's know how to show the video links. First of all, you need to copy this video link from the Twitch TV. And then come back to this page and paste the copied link right here. Then you just need to simply press this button and then you will see the shortened URL link provided by the website. The amount of dollars you can earn is depend on the number of the people who touch the video link. As an example, if individual from the Germany click on your link, you will be get paid $5. If individual from the USA click on your link, you will be get paid $8. You will earn different amount of dollars based on the country people from and where they are click on your link. And this is the way how to all these people around the world earn their money by just easily shortening the URL and get clicks from the individuals. By simply sharing the video link like this one on this website, you will be paid over hundreds of dollars. As you can see here, there are over 9,000 people are using and getting service from the website to earn money online. And also there are various payment options such as PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeet, AdCash and Perfect Money are available for your conveniences. Now I am going to show you how to sign up for free account in this website. Initially you need to click the sign up button located in top of the web page. And then this page will be loaded and you can make a new membership for totally free. It's so difficult to put these basic details like username and email address right here. And then confirm your password and click the register button. So this is your new membership account we created in this page just now. In your dashboard you can get how many clicks you received, your earnings, referral earnings and average clicks per minute. There will be a zero balance until you receive the clicks from the people. So I will be showing you a practical example and hope you will be enjoy the video. Now you should go back to the Twitch TV and select free videos under the category of Fortnite. So get the link of first video you have selected by just simply clicking the share button. Then you should go back to the free account dashboard and paste the link into this box. And finally, you can create a shortest URL from this website. Then you need to create a general summary of the game and write something which can attract you the game players. And then add lines for put links of more Fortnite videos. As a result, each time someone click on this link, you will be paid according to the conditions I explained earlier. So now I am going to put the copied and converted link from the first video. If someone touch on my link, I will be paid attractive prices based on countries they are living from. So then I am going to repeat it for next video I selected. Just click the share button and copy the link. Then again go back to the account dashboard and paste the link into this box. So I can create another shortest URL and website will be assisted to me. Then copy it and paste it to second video link right here. And lastly I am going to get back to the final video I selected and click the share button to copy the URL link. Then come back to my dashboard and shorten the copied link. Then copy it and paste to the third video link right here to the summary. Now we came to final part of the money making strategy. So I would like to get you to the forum PCGamer.com. This is one of the famous websites where people chatting and discussing regarding the various gaming matters, including Fortnite videos. This is an entire free website for all around the world, and that's why I selected for this site. All of the individuals are discussing about the games. Look at here. You can see under this PC gaming topic, general gaming has 1500 threads and over 400,000 community messages. Click here and it will take you to this page. There are lots of articles and posts published by the different people, and it is easy to get attention to our post also. As you can see, there are over 2000 views, and there is a huge potential opportunity and large numbers of individuals are discussing about this. When I searched about Fortnite gaming category, I noticed that there is a huge count of the people are interested. As a proof, there are over 82 million followers in Fortnite category, and they are watching the videos on Twitch TV. So the forum PCGamer.com is potential platform to copy and paste this summary and share it with the viewers. The more individuals are clicking on your link me, you can earn more money. This is the way how these all people around the world are earning their money using this strategy. So this is the entire concept that I wanted to reach you. Thank you very much for being with me. See you in next video.